In the previous episode, we have learned to prepare tasty, fragrant and fluffy idlis. In this episode, it is time for our eternal companion of idlis, and that is Uddina Vade. It is definitely easy to prepare Uddina Vade, but it also requires a set of gentle aspects to keep in our minds. The bliss of savoring Uddina Vade is just inexplicable. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. And by the way, welcome to our channel Ooru, Oota, Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The obvious and most important ingredient to prepare Uddina Vade is Urad Dal. Here we have taken 250 grams, that is 1 cup of Urad Dal, washed it thoroughly, and we have soaked it for about 2 hours. Soaking the Urad Dal for at least 2 hours eases the process of grinding the Urad Dal. Here we are choosing to grind the Urad Dal in a wet grinder. Grinding can be done even in a mixer grinder. Having said that, grinding it in a wet grinder gives Uddina Vade a better texture. The most important point to keep in the mind while preparing Uddina Vade batter is to have a stiff batter. So the whole process hardly needs 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Look at this, my dear friends. We have perfectly ground stiff Uddina Vade batter. The first addition to this is 2 finely chopped medium-sized onions. After onions, let us add 1 fistful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Once we have added coriander leaves, the next in the list is finely chopped raw coconut. And then let us add a little bit of finely chopped curry leaves. And the final addition to our mixture is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per our taste before giving a thorough mix to all these ingredients. The mixture of Uddina Vade has to be stiff. Don't be tempted to add any water because onions in the mixture will sweat gradually. Before deep frying the Uddina Vades, let us prepare a simple, tasty chutney. So here we are heating about 1 tablespoon of oil in a heavy bottomed pan. Once the oil is hot, it is time to add our next ingredients, and that is 5 green chillies and curry leaves. First, let us add green chillies, roast them for about a minute, and then let us add the curry leaves and roast it till these ingredients lose their raw fragrance. When that happens, the next addition is 1 fistful of fresh mint leaves. Let us add the mint leaves, allow this to roast for a while, and then let us add 1 fistful of coriander leaves. After roasting all these ingredients for a while, let us turn off the flame and then add 50 grams, that is half a cup of freshly grated coconut. After adding the freshly grated coconut, let us allow the mixture to get to room temperature. Once it has cooled down, let us add the mixture to a mixer grinder and then add 5 grams of pre-soaked tamarind. Once we have added tamarind, it is time to add our king of taste, Mr. Salt. After salt comes a pinch of sugar. Sugar is added to remove any pungent fragrance. Let us add water and grind this into a fine paste. In no time, we have a perfect chutney for our Uddina Vade. And by the way, here we have placed oil to heat on a stove top. Before shaping the vadas, it is good idea to dip our hands in a bowl of water and then shape the Uddina Vade mixture into teeny tiny spear, give it a gentle press in the center and drop it in the hot oil. It is important to heat the oil in a medium flame. If the oil is too hot, the vadas will turn red outside but doesn't cook perfectly inside. After dropping the vadas carefully and gently into the hot oil, it is important to fry these on a medium flame till they turn golden in color. After a lot of patience, here we have golden fried Uddina Vade. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, it is time to savor our hot Uddina Vades and the chutney that we have prepared. If you like this episode, don't forget to click the like button and to share this with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.